Welcome to Jabagab Food Trips YouTube channel. For today's recipe, we'll be making a 3-in-1 appetizer. First is the salted chicken egg. Second is the green papaya pickles. And third is the Atchara Kimchi. Sounds exciting! So, sit back, relax, and enjoy watching till the end! Let's start with our salted chicken egg. Just a quick review. Salted eggs was originated in China centuries ago and typically involve duck eggs, which are richer and have more omega-3 fatty acids. It is made by either brining the eggs in salt or encrusting them in salted charcoal. So, our version is brining the chicken egg in salt for 15 to 25 days. First, we need to thoroughly wash our eggs. Then, carefully put it in a container one by one and able not to crack the eggs. Once everything's in, let's prepare our brine. 1 liter of water with 3 tablespoons of sea salt, then whisk it until salt totally dissolved. Then pour it into the container, making sure that all eggs are submerged. Then, tightly seal it. Put some markers so that you'll not forget when to open it. After 25 days, you can see the water. It's a little bit cloudy, but no odd smell. This is a good sign because if it smells stinky, then you have to throw it, which means you need to repeat the process again. So, if it's successful, you need to wash it and check for crack. But if no crack, you can hard boil it for 10 to 12 minutes. Mostly, they are dyed red to distinguish from fresh eggs. Once done, they serve the salted egg with tomato to neutralize its saltiness. Our homemade salted chicken egg. Next appetizer, we have here a medium-sized green papaya, and we're making an atchara. It's a traditional condiment of pickled green papaya, carrots, and peppers in Filipino cuisine, combined with the sweet and sour tang of gingered pickle juice. That makes it incredibly refreshing accent for a variety of dishes. So now, we'll slice the papaya in half. Then peel the skin. If there are seeds, remove it also. Now we have a peeled papaya. There are several ways on how to cut it. By hitting it on one side lightly, then shaping with this, and you'll get a long and hard strands. But traditionally, the easiest way is by grating it. Hindi kita kailangan kumpara kasi ikaw lang baby at wala nang ang iba. Ang tumawag ka, nagkakatunaw na parang sorbetes na iniwan sa labas, diba? Kung ako na nga ang papipiliin, panalo ka na matik, pwede mo bago walipin. I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me surf. It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me worth. And I can see her really the missing neighbors. And if heaven does exist, it could most probably look like her. Yeah. I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me surf. done, put it in a bowl and add 3 teaspoons of salt and leave it for an hour.
Northern Summer Mix DJ.
While waiting, let's prepare our onion. Bell pepper,
Sandy Oliverio, the best.
Parang neneng di ang kanyang katawan. Ang sarap mong titigan, di proses ka pa.
grated carrots,
Parang neneng di ang kanyang katawan. Ang sarap mong titigan, di proses ka pa. Kasi sa spaceship, isa sa kita. Mr. Who's the chick, Nick, 'cause I got plenty. T-shirt niya at pants ay black, tas pink na panty.
and sliced ginger.
Ay nilamig, yumakap siya sa akin habang siya'y kinikilig. Di niya rin mapigilan ng init kong dala. Napapakalmot na at napapaungol siya. Sabi niya, NIK, what? Ibaon mo pa, bilisan mo pa. Sige,
Mix them all and set aside.
huling ka ba? Kasi kanina sa'kin nagbabaga ka. Sometes ka ba? Kasi gusto mong di.
Now, let's make our juice. Heat the pan, add 1 cup of water, half cup of apple cider vinegar,
Chicharong ka ba?
a teaspoon of grated garlic,
Pag kinakain ka, parang neneng di ang kanyang katawan.
and 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Ganti, proses ka pa.
Then, mix it.
Isasakay kita, parang neneng di ang kanyang katawan. Ang sarap mong titigan, proses ka pa. Kasi sa spaceship, isasakay kita. Ng iyong mata't ngiti, ako'y naa-attract. Dib-dib naglalak, parang merong heart attack. Ayaw mo sa iba, gusto mo kay NIK. And I do the motherfucking cake.
Lastly, add a teaspoon of chili powder. And mix it well.
Appetit, tapos medyo makulit. Mahaba ang buhok at mga matay silpit. Yun ang aking tipo. Minsan pag wala ng flick, tumatagal sa laban parang Jordan Game 6. Siya ay sobrang sexy, miniskirt at fixie.
After an hour, get a clean cloth and put the papaya. Then squeeze out as much water as possible.
Kasi gusto mo yung ginagapang ka. Harina ka ba?
Just like this.
Gusto mo yung nilalabas ka.
Now, we have squeezed out all the water. We can now mix it to the spices. After mixing, transfer it into a sealable container.
Lahat ng kailangan aking dala-dala. Safe kapag kasama, huwag kang magtaka. Di ka magduda, walang baka-baka.
Then pour the juice slowly, making sure it's properly distributed.
Katabi, oo kabe, di ako mapatanggi. Bawat parte, huwag ka na mag-inarte. Ulap putik yan sa'yo nakakapay. Since mga ikang lahat, they wanna pay. After one stand, still they wanna.
Just like this. There you have it, Our second appetizer, our homemade atchara.
Can I see you anong oras ba?
Lastly, we'll make an Atchara Kimchi. Ingredients are grated green papaya, grated carrot, and sliced bell pepper. Then mix all together and soaked it brine with salt and water for at least 4 hours. One hour prior to 4 hours, let's prepare our ginger, onion, and garlic. Mix and blend. Just like this. Get a bowl. Put 3 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and our blended ingredients. Then mix. Get the soaked papaya and mix it without the brine. Just like this. Lastly, add the mixed chili powder and paprika. There's no exact amount of how much you'll add. You just taste it according to your own preference. Then leave it at least 1 day to 7 days in a warm place to hasten the fermentation. Then to fridge to slow down. Then we're done! There you have it, our homemade Atchara Kimchi. Our 3-in-1 appetizers. Hope you like it! So that's it! Thanks for watching mga kajabagab! Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye-bye!